no more meal. No, in need of gaining some weight. No, me.
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where and when you are watching us from. For our returning subscribers, thank you for coming again to watch Noble Meal. And if today is the first time of seeing our video or watching our video, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and God bless you. Guys, today without wasting much of our time, we are going to cook EGUSI soup. So let me take you around the ingredients. So guys, you have your stockfish, you have a snail, and you have your cow intestine. Here you have your Titus fish, you have your tilapia fish, and you have your crayfish. Here you have the beef meat, you have your chicken. This is smoked chicken. These are the seasonings we are going to use today. We have your fried onions, you have your 4 cubes of Maggi, you have salt, you have thyme, you have bay leaf, and you have your Ghana pepper. So guys, here you have your bitter leaf, here you have the EGUSI, and here you have your palm oil. So the first thing we should do is you add your washed stockfish, you add your washed cow intestine, then you add the beef. I've already washed it. Then you add your onions. Then you add the dry onions. You add the bay leaf and the thyme. You add some salt to taste. I'm going to add 2 cubes of Maggi. Then we're going to cover it and cook for about 10 minutes. Thank you so much guys for coming. As you can see, I have not added water, so it has boiled for about 5 minutes now. So I'm going to add remaining meat, which is this. I'm going to add this one now. I'm going to allow it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then it has been cooked. Then I'm going to also add this as well. I'm going to add this ingredient again, which is snail. So I'm going to leave it, but before I cover it now, I'm going to add some little water to make it cook. So guys, I'm adding a little water. Now it has cooked. Just going to filter it. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the onions inside the EGUSI. Then the water from the meat, I will use it to mix the EGUSI before putting it inside a hot pot of oil that I've already put on fire, which is this. You can see. As you can see guys, I have already poured it. So I'm going to fry it for a period of time. I'm going to fry it for a period of time before adding all other ingredients. So this time I'm going to be turning it and leave it to fry for a period of time. So guys, after it must have been fried for a period of time, I'm going to add the fish to it as well. Bring it together, mix them very well.